Okay, so we want to look at color scrolls or RGB and CMY type effects. So I'm just going to go to one of the cues from my basic builder explainer real quick. You can imagine each laser like, let's say, a bar fixture. Like, let's say something like a Acme Tornado or Valero Wave or PXL Curve, whatever your favorite flavor of the day is as far as a thing that wiggles cool, except that it's all coming from the same point and you've got 8 heads. So you can do whatever you want with those 8 heads. They're like individual cells. So right here, I've got just a basic color effect running across 2 units. So I'm just going to load all of my other lasers at those 2. Load you, that. Just copy that effect to everybody. So you can have whatever color effect you want. So let's say you want to do like a color scroll across everybody at the same time. So you can run just about any color effect you want on these things. So I'm just going to set them up to all run a rainbow wave at the same time. You can do whatever 2 color effects you want. I can take this and, again, just like any multi-cell fixer, one of the really popular effects, let's say you want to make, a multicolored noise effect across all of your instances. Really easy to do. So if I do this, it's just going to move across all of them. If I come in here and I randomize my grouping and then come back here, that's not going to spread it out like I want it to. No, that's the Onyx Vex engine for you. Okay, there we go. So I can do whatever color effects I want. I can do 2 color effects, whichever ones. I can do a rainbow wave. There we go. And so you can randomize the selection order if you want, have whatever kind of crazy stuff you want going on. And you can do really anything that you would do with a pixel type fixture on the instances of this light. Some of the other color effects that I had programmed in the Mercury demo. So this right here is just, you have 2 color parts per builder. This is 2 different color effects on the 2 different color parts, fanned out differently. So if you can think of a color effect that you can do on a pixel fixture, you can do it on these lasers, which I think is really cool.
Yeah.
Let's switch that SHCN priority. So this is something where you could really do some cool stuff with the keyframe editor on Avon and do like some 3 or 4 colors and step through that and then fan it across your builders.
Right. So I just did like a run on subfixtures RGB.
Yeah.
And then I just put a...
There you go.
Like literally that's, unless you want to pick the exact colors, I just start with this just to...
Absolutely. Basic CMY sign. And you can offset this, fan this, again, however you would on any sort of pixel fixture. Really get your phasing, as it were, set exactly how you want it. Do whatever kind of color scroll or RGB CMY you want.